Welcome to my YouTube channel Live Healthy and Happy. Today I would like to introduce to you the top 20 health benefits of turmeric. Let's watch the video and refer to it. Here are the top 20 health benefits of turmeric. 1. Powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric contains curcumin, which has potent anti-inflammatory effects, helping to reduce inflammation in the body. 2. Boosts immune system. Turmeric enhances the immune system's response, helping to fight off infections and diseases. 3. Supports brain health. Curcumin can cross the blood-brain barrier, promoting brain health by enhancing cognitive function and reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. 4. Enhances digestion. Turmeric stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, improving digestion and reducing discomfort. 5. Helps manage arthritis symptoms. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties may help reduce pain, swelling, and stiffness associated with arthritis. 6. Supports heart health. Turmeric helps lower LDL cholesterol and triglyceride levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. 7. Assists in managing diabetes. Turmeric can help regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. 8. Promotes healthy weight management. Turmeric may aid in weight loss by boosting metabolism and enhancing fat burning. 9. Supports liver health. Turmeric promotes liver health by aiding in detoxification processes and protecting against liver damage. 10. Anti-cancer properties. Curcumin has been found to have anti-cancer properties, inhibiting the growth and spread of certain types of cancer cells. 11. Boosts mood and reduces symptoms of depression. Research suggests that curcumin may help alleviate symptoms of depression and enhance mood. 12. Supports skin health. Turmeric can help reduce skin inflammation and promote a healthy complexion. 13. Promotes healthy aging. Turmeric's antioxidant properties help neutralize free radicals and reduce cellular damage, promoting healthy aging. 14. Improves gut health. Turmeric supports a healthy gut by reducing inflammation and promoting a balanced gut microbiome. 15. Enhances wound healing. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties can promote faster and more effective wound healing. 16. Supports eye health. Curcumin in turmeric may help prevent age-related macular degeneration and protect against other eye conditions. 17. Balances hormones. Turmeric can help regulate hormone levels and reduce symptoms associated with hormonal imbalances. 18. Supports respiratory health. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties can help alleviate symptoms of respiratory conditions like asthma and bronchitis. 19. Enhances bone health. Turmeric supports healthy bones by reducing inflammation and helping to maintain bone density. 20. Supports oral health. Turmeric's antimicrobial properties can help maintain oral hygiene and reduce the risk of gum disease. It is important to note that while turmeric offers numerous health benefits, it is not a substitute for medical treatment. If you have specific health concerns or conditions, it is always best to consult with a healthcare professional. Remember to click like and subscribe to the channel to support me for more new videos. Thank you for watching. Wish you a lot of health and luck in life. Love you.